Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can move folders in other folders in Gmail. So in this case, log into Gmail first. Sorry, ignore this. Okay, now you'll find here all of your folders here, right? Under labels, all of your folders. Now what I'm going to do is I will move this CSS class and this HTML class, these two folder, I will move into this IT class folder. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I will click on this three dot icon, then I will click edit, then I will just check this one, next label under, this one checked, then click on drop down menu, then you will find all of your folders name. Just choose the folder you want to move. Like I want to move this folder under this IT class. Okay, so click on save. Now you'll find this CSS class is under IT class, that's why it is like this. Okay, so I'm changing this one too. Click on three dot, go to label, edit, then click on this checkbox, drop down menu, then you'll find here IT class or the folder you want to move under. Okay, so this HTML class folder will be go under this IT class folder. I'm clicking on save. Let's check. Okay, you can see here, right, under IT class there is two folders, CSS class and HTML class. Okay guys, so this is how we can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.